Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about humility and effort. Relationships, we all have them. We have relationships with family or teammates, maybe with a spouse or a significant other. Take a listen to today's verse. It's found in the book of Ephesians, chapter 4, verses 2 through 3. It says, "Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace." You see, Paul, he was an early Jesus follower, and he's talking to other Jesus followers in this place called Ephesus. And he's reminding these people that their humility and their effort matter in relationships. I find it interesting that Paul is talking about humility and gentleness in the same sentence. He's reminding us to be gentle in our interactions with other people or in our relationships. That is really hard to do when our humility is low. Why? Because pride can often blind us to see only our own thoughts, to see only our own feelings, our own perspectives, even to see only our own hurt. Have you been there? When you are upset, when you're bothered, when you're busy, the times when you are mostly thinking about what you think or you feel, pride can blind us. You see, in relationships, when we are moving into a place of rightly seeing ourselves in light of God and His grace, we have more capacity to see the other person too. Today, let's take a brief inventory. Think right now of one relationship in your life. Did one come to mind? With a neighbor, with a significant other? On a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being low and 10 being high, how much are you thinking about you in that relationship? Your thoughts, your hurts, your perspectives, your wants, for example. Did you give it a number, 1 through 10? Just pick one. You can change your mind tomorrow. What do you think about your number? Is there any desire inside of you to adjust it? Let's listen again to today's verse in Ephesians chapter 4, verses 2 through 3. The Word of God encourages us to be completely humble and gentle, to be patient, to bear with one another in love, to make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. Relationships, they can be messy. But what if today we think about how to consider the other person before ourselves? Let's ponder these things today in prayer and see where the Lord leads.